If you want to hide files on Google Pixel 11, the easiest way to do so is by using the Files app, which is the file manager that we have available from the beginning in the app drawer. So we can open the Files app, and in here, in the Files app, we can create a save folder, which is over here. Now, if you open the save folder for the first time, if it's not created yet, you can choose the password type for your save folder. So you can choose a pin code or a pattern. In my case, I'm just gonna set up a simple pin code. There we go. Then we can go next, set up the same password again to confirm and go next. Of course, you need to remember your pin because otherwise you will lose access to the save folder and you will not be able to reopen the save folder anymore. All right, now that the save folder is created, we can just go back to the main menu of the Files app. And then in here, you can use these categories in order to locate your files. Or you can just go to the storage, the whole storage, of course, if you want to browse like that. So let's say I'm gonna go to images. And in here, I can just select a couple of images that I want to hide. And I'm gonna just press and hold my finger to select the first file, and I'm gonna select a couple of more. Now we can use these three dots here in the upper right corner. And then you can choose to move to the save folder. You need to enter the password to the save folder in order to continue. Tap on next, and there we go, our files have been moved. Of course, if you have more files to transfer, or if they take more space, then it's going to take longer to transfer those files, but generally speaking, it should be rather quick. So now if I go to the save folder, and if I open it, if I unlock it, there we go, here I can find my hidden files. And of course, we can hide here pretty much anything, any file whatsoever, any data. So this can be photos, videos, documents, audio files, APK files, and so on and so forth. So leave a like and subscribe.